And we're back to learning Gimp, and this time I'm going to show you how to create this simple random triangle background design. Obviously it's just one way to do it, but I use a simple photo and I copy it 2 times. I'm on the top layer. And now I use the shear tool, I left click on it. And let me just use 1000. The value that you choose will determine the angle of your triangles. I use 1000 because it's easy to remember. Don't worry about the edges here, we're going to fix that later on. Stay on the top layer, then I go to filters, blur and use pixelize. You want to check the preview and only worry about block width and height. I've got it linked. And you want to adjust it according to the size of your original photo. For me, like 120 should be fine, so I can work with that. Afterwards, use the shear tool again, left click, and this time use minus the value. So I've used 1000, so I need minus 1000. It's still the top layer, remember that. You can see we'll have to take care of the edges later on, but for now don't worry too much about it, and go to opacity, and you want to set it to 50%. Let me just directly type it in. I'm not good at using the scale here, so I'll just make it 50, confirm it. Now go to the second layer, right here, so it's one in between. Use the shear tool again, now go to minus 1000, so this time you go to minus first. And now you apply the pixelize filter again. We can just go to repeat pixelize or Ctrl F. And afterwards shear tool, click on it and plus 1000. Now we have to adjust it slightly, but this is basically the process. At first you can see it's not really well aligned, so I can use the move tool. But let me use it on the top layer. So that looks a little bit better. And we also want to take care of the edges. So I first use this icon down here to merge the 2 top layers, which were our, let's say, triangle layers, so the copies. It's only one layer now, and I can use the scale tool right here. Just left click and then adjust it so that it definitely exceeds your canvas, but you also want to check the lines right here of your triangles so that they fit. Just confirm it and you've got this random abstract triangle background design. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.